Hey everyone, this is Dustin from Wet Paint Auto Detailing. Just showing you this Ford Explorer that the customer did a DIY do-it-yourself ceramic coating. If you look here, you can see all the white from the coating. I don't know how well it comes up on camera. You can see this all in the paint. So that's why I never recommend a ceramic coating that you do yourself. This was stuck on there. We acid washed it, everything to get it off to this point. And now we're polishing. You can see all over the doors. Polished this fender so far. Looks a lot better. Still a little bit of streaking in here of the coating needs to be removed. But you can see it looks a lot better than that panel. So we'll get it all finished up, show you video at the end. Thanks for watching. Alright, here's the finished Ford Explorer. We removed that ceramic coating. It took a lot of polishing to get it off. It was on there pretty good. So we're doing some finishing touches, but you can see the paint looks a lot better. Zoom in here. So if you'd like to do a ceramic coating on your vehicle, want to keep it protected and looking really nice, skip the DIY ones and just get a professional coating done. Alright, thanks for watching.